Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis about 24 hours ago. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, 20 hours from now, yeah, the chart may look different to you, but my goal here is to keep the video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about general levels and then walking you through a couple questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll help dictate the current status of the chart. Now, for those of you that have watched the past videos I've done, then this level should sound pretty familiar. But at this point, it's all about the purple line here, the 50-period moving average, and then also the pink line up there, the 200-period moving average. Within the world of charts, those are two very famous levels that a lot of people keep an eye on. So there is definitely a self-fulfilling type prophecy that revolves around them. But point being, that's going to be the key level over the next 24 hours to give credit where credit is due. As I talk right now, the price is actually up above that purple line there. But that'll be the first question to kind of ask yourself. And let's just say you're watching it 20 hours from now. So 20 hours from now, ask yourself, is the price still, let's try that again. Ask yourself, is the price, still up above the 50-period moving average? Is it still up above that purple line there? If it is, well, then that just assumes that, what, the bulls are having a nice little period of time. They're maintaining the break right here. And like I said, whether this is a couple hours or 20 hours from now, any sort of, momentum or, price action from the price is still holding up above there. That implies that the price and the bulls are, having themselves a good, like I said, the math's different. If you're watching this 20 hours from now, then hey, they've been having themselves a very much longer period of time compared to, if you're watching this video just a couple hours from now. But you get the point. Keep an eye on that purple line. If you are answering the question that the price is up above that purple line, the next immediate question to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that pink line right there? You can see here the price was directly rejected from it. If you are somehow answering the question that the price is up above that pink line, well, that just tells you that the bulls are having themselves a very, very solid breakout. And from a long perspective, that's what you would want to see. Now, with all that being said, don't get me wrong, if the price is still below these levels, that doesn't mean the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But just kind of a double check to quick ask yourself, in the event the price is below these moving averages, is where's the price at relative to 63.80, which is that green line down there. If somehow the price is actually down below that level when you're watching the video, which I don't foresee being the case, but in the event it was, that would just be telling you that the bears have totally taken back over control of the chart. But if it's still up above 63.80 and it's still, below these moving averages, then that one word would summarize that, and that would just be consolidation. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. But yeah, as of right now, looking like the bulls are trying to go for a breakout. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.